guys, what's going on? Emil Dilvansha here. So today it's my time to install iOS 15.7.3 in this 4 device. And so without further ado, let's get started. So now let's turn on the phone. Now let's go to setting, general software update, and you will get this notice which is iOS 15.7.3. This is the latest version, just out yesterday. So the update already been running, and so my SE already been verifying update. Now let's install. So for all of them are verifying update loading, so it depends on your device as well, on your Wi-Fi too. Loading. Now it's Apple logo update. This update also, it depends on your Wi-Fi and also your device. So the new version of iOS 16.3 has been installed successful. Now on the hello screen, 4 of them are successful to update iOS 16.3. Finally, press the home button. Software update complete. Latest version. Press the continue. Skip everything for me. Now it's on updating Apple ID setting. You can see. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. And we're done. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this installing iOS 15.7.3 on these 4 devices in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye. And before that, iOS 15.7.3, and have a nice day.